So this is day number 2. I got this door all set up for me to start sanding it. So I'm gonna work on that today. Maybe a little bit on this main part of the actual rear quarter panel. So we'll see how it goes. So this is going to be it for me tonight for day 2. I ended up finishing most of the I keep saying passenger, the driver's rear door. I still got to go over 120 and 220, but then I started working on this rear quarter panel. It looks like there's some body work that's already done to it. So you can see like it's starting to crack. I don't know if you can see that or not. But yeah, it's starting to crack right here. It looks like there's some type of body work done right here. So even like right here too, it's all bubbling it up and everything. So I'm really gonna have to take good care of this side right here. It's gonna be a lot more work than I thought on this rear quarter panel. But overall, pretty good so far. Right here too, look, it's cracking and it's rusting inside. Of course you can't really see because but so I think I want to take tomorrow I'm going to go ahead and take the rear bumper off, or at least this little chrome trim piece right here. I think this could just pop out. I think there's little clips in there. It's already been a couple of days since I did some sanding on the rear door. Today I want to get done at least the rear quarter, maybe this D pillar up here, and maybe a little bit on top going along this B pillar and A pillar. You can already see that I removed the rear bumper already. I'm going to go ahead and remove this rear tail light. piece right here, I just yanked it and just kind of just bloop came off. So, that sucks. So I'm definitely gonna have to do, see what I'm worried about is it's rusting on the inside. I might just have to cut this whole thing and put a new sheet metal, which on this specific area it seems super difficult. Let me show you the other side. So we go over here. There's this body line right here. You can see this nice, and then kind of fades in, and then nice body line right here. That's the only issue that I see with me doing it. I'm pretty sure professional seeing light work, but yeah, it has this nice deep, see it has this divot, goes all the way over here, kind of blends in and then goes into this nice body line. Which, I mean, yeah, see, you got this divot too, it goes all the way over here, and if I'm going to be cutting this whole area out, I gotta make sure I get a nice consistent line. This turned out to be a lot bigger than I expected. I didn't realize how much rust it was. And then I took a look inside of here, so you can see there's rust spots right here. And I took a look inside the trunk and grabbed my light. Okay, so if you take a look back here, which I didn't even know what happened, but yeah, this side definitely got hit somehow, because you see all those weld spots. They must have pulled this whole left rear quarter panel out, and that's the way it is, the way it is right now. But you can see right there, there's the wheel well right there. So maybe, yeah, if I just cut right here and take out this whole little chunk right here, then I should be okay. But I don't know. I think I'm just going to kind of leave it up in the air for right now, what I'm going to do. Because again, I'm not really a auto body guy. I was hoping this would just be a simple painting job, but this turned out to be a lot bigger than expected. Alrighty, so I finished the whole driver's side, all I wanted to do. So I got the left front fender, door, rear door. I'm going to pretend that doesn't exist. And then I got this whole top part sanded, this whole little top trim piece. And then I sanded it so when I'm ready to sand the roof, I could just go ahead and just hit this bad boy all flat. I'm probably just going to sink the sunroof, just loosen up the bolts and just sink it down and then mask it off on the inside. Or I could take it off, haven't decided yet. So But I feel like this is good to stop on the driver's side. And I think next episode, I'm going to go on the passenger side, which to the eye looks easier. It looks a whole much easier. I don't see no, wait a minute. Oh no, that's just tape. I don't see no rust, like no rust pitting. Maybe just like a little bit on this door right here, but nothing seriously like eye-catching where it's going to be super difficult to prep the passenger side. So it's going to be a lot easier. I'm going to have to remove this fender, do the wire tuck, and then, so hopefully this should not take too long. Hopefully, I just said hopefully twice. I could get this whole side done within like a couple of days, of course, after work and everything, but I'm excited to keep going and building this car, bring this baby back to life, and sooner or later get her back on the road. More later than sooner, but.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Anyway, hope you enjoyed.